maciaro ma migunda yao.
Kama wakulima tunashughulikia tu mmea pande ya juu, lakini sisi kama COPAT tunasema tunaangalia mmea pande ya juu na pia pande ya chini kwenye mizizi. Yeah? So we like to have a holistic approach to how we interact with our plants, whether it's crop protection, protecting from pests and diseases, or the uptake of nutrients and the health of the roots.
Such technologies will assist both the small and large-scale farmers in Kenya to produce more at reduced rates, leading to increase in farmers' income, food security at household level, and by extension, food security in the country.
We need to reduce erosion, maximize water infiltration, improve nutrient cycling, save money on inputs, and ultimately improve the resiliency of the farms. Over the years, the county was able to promote and procure biofertilizer for the farmers through programs, were able to promote soil conservation measures such as conservation. The county government was able to do testing in collaboration with OCBD for over 1,000 farmers to know the status of their soil.
Thiĩ na mbere nĩ atĩ aikari a kaunti ya Kilifi nĩ mathingatĩtwo kũhĩmbĩria